Devil Is My Running Mate by Jason Isbell is going to be played in standard tuning. You'll need to know an E minor chord, an A minor chord, or really an A minor 7, I guess, a D major chord, and a C major chord is what this song involves. The intro is going to be an E minor that has a little walk down riff in it of A, G, E minor. So for the E minor, I've got an open 6 string, I've got my second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, my ring finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3, open 2, open 1. And also the strumming pattern here is really kind of sparse with random quick flicks that may happen in it. So you're accentuating like a down, up, down, down, up, down. That's what's kind of being pushed through in the rhythm, but it will occur with kind of like some flicks that happen in between it. So that sort of feel. So the E minor, and you'll open up the 5 string. So lift your second finger up off the 5 string, hit that, and then go with your pinky finger to the 6 string 3 fret, and then right back into the E minor. So that's the little riff inside of the E minor. After it does that, I think, twice. So second time, it then goes to the A minor 7. Open 5 string, second finger to the 4 string 2 fret, open 3 string. First finger to the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. So same feel here. And you get that walk by going open 5 string, ring finger to the 6 string 3 fret, open 5 string. So open 5 string, ring finger to the 6 string 3 fret, open 5 string inside of this A minor 7 chord. And then back into the E minor. And it just repeats doing that throughout the verse. Whenever we get to the chorus will be a D chord, open 4 string, first finger on the 3 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 2 string 3 fret. You can leave your second finger off of this chord to get an open 1 string if you want, or you can put your second finger down on the 1 string 2 fret. Sometimes Jason Isbell may be putting his pinky finger down on the 1 string 3 fret to suspend this D chord, bring it back to the second finger on the 1 string 2 fret, open 1 string, so some sort of embellishments are happening in the D chord there. So you've got the D chord, and then it's going to go to an A minor 7, but it's going to begin with your first finger off of the 2 string. So usually your A minor 7 is open 5 string, second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. Whenever we go out of the D to this A minor chord, you'll begin it with the 2 string open, so your first finger would be off of that fret, so that you want the open B string to ring out. And then you'll hammer on your second finger. After you hammer on your, not your second finger, your first finger to the 2 string 1 fret. After you hammer that on, we're going to walk into a C by hammering with our second finger to the 5 string 2 fret, and then come down with our ring finger to the 5 string 3 fret, leaving your first finger where it had been after hammering on to the 2 string 1 fret in the A minor 7. Whenever we get into the C chord, you can hammer on with your second finger to the 4 string 2 fret. And then in this chord, you can hear Jason Isbell put his pinky finger down on the 2 string 3 fret. And then after pinky finger down on the 2 string 3 fret, we'll go into an E minor chord. And then repeat D chord to the A minor 7, walk to fret, E minor. Repeat. The last time through the chorus, like it does this, I think 3 rounds, 4 rounds, but the last round of the chorus, Jason Isbell kind of lingers before putting his pinky finger down on the 2-string 3 fret, so it really just kind of plays out the C chord as a C major chord for one set of 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then repeats the C the second time with pinky finger down on the 2-string 3 fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back into the E minor. In some of the later verses, he'll palm mute in this E minor. So the exact same idea of the walk down, you're just taking the fat of your palm right there, lay it right across the saddle of the guitar so that you mute the strings, and then pick through that. And I'm changing the strumming pattern here to a triplet strum, triplet, 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 down, up, 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 triplet, 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 triplet. So, I think that covers everything for the song. Those are the chords and the movements for The Devil Is My Running Mate by Jason Isbell. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.